You're on mute.
Yeah, thank you, Shivatsa. Thank you so much. A very good morning to all of you guys. I am Dr. Sonia here. I am a PhD in biotechnology and currently working as assistant professor in Bangalore University. तो मैं अगर अपने बारे में बात करूं तो I am a chief.
One minute,
Yeah.
Dr. Sonia. Can you just raise your hand on the Zoom because I'm not able to spotlight you?
Yeah, sure, sir. Just a minute.
Okay, I got it. Yeah.
I've done it.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Shall I
You can
go
start from the beginning. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. So, good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Sonia here. I'm a PhD in biotechnology and currently working as assistant professor in Bangalore University. I have 13 years of experience in teaching, where I've been teaching graduate, postgraduate students together with a good experience in NEET and PU also. So whatever you are seeing me today is a different Sonia. It's completely a different Sonia, which you would have seen. I think so many people know me. 2 महीने पहले जो था एक मुरझाई हुई सी सोनिया थी और आज एक ब्लॉसमी और ग्लोमिंग सोनिया है जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं. So that's what I'll say. This is what it has been to me. That's what its vision has come to me in my life. कहते हैं ना, अगर मंजिल नहीं है तो रास्ता कहाँ से मिलेगा. तो मंजिल मिली है, रास्ते बनने लगे हैं और डेस्टिनेशन आने लगे हैं. सो देयर इट कम. आई विल कम विथ माय विजन बोर्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. जब तक सोचेंगे नहीं तब तक पाएंगे नहीं, और जब तक सपना नहीं देखेंगे, वो भी जागती आंखों का, तो उसको मुकम्मल कैसे करेंगे. दिस इज व्हाट इज माय विजन बोर्ड हियर. So guys, this was my first vision board, and you can see this is my first vision board. If you can see, it's pasted in my room. Now this vision board, I'll go every day before sleeping, and as soon as I get up, I'll see it, and it remembers me, it admires me, it makes me feel what I have to achieve. This is a new Sonia which loves herself. This is a beautiful, rocking, smiling Sonia which you see today. These are my family and relationship goals, where I want a very happy life with my immediate family, my husband, son. I want to go with my parents to some places. This is the kid we plan, and these are my health goals. First thing comes first is your health. If you cannot focus on your health, if you cannot achieve a good health, you will not achieve anything in life. And this is what RYB has done to me. Maintain my weight. Yeah, of course, I have lost 7 kgs. I have lost 7 kgs today. So this I have done with yoga. I have gone with the thing I was procrastinating, regular medical checkup, and this is a place I want to go every year once. So for 10 days, this is my learning goal. So I'll go with 6 motivational books, improving professional skills, and also my technical trainings also. These are my spiritual goals, guys. These are the places I want to visit in my life. Some are completed, some are in plan. So these all are like which we take in our religious places like Chardham Yatra, Mallikarjun, and so on. These are my career goals. Yeah, of course. Something which is most important, I want to be an author. I'm going to announce that my book writing is on. I have done with 8 chapters by now, still 3 more to go. So after next month, you will come with an author, Sonia, coming up with you. I have started my YouTube channel yesterday only with my first post. This is the place where I want to go with a government job. So this is my favorite university, and this is the institute I want to become as a scientist. This is a farm I want to have in my life, where I'll have a processing unit for medicinal and aromatic plants, which is my niche area of work. Then these are my financial goals. Yeah, of course, I want to be in a list of billionaire. This is a car. This is my role model. For according to me, this was a person who inspired me to go for biotechnology. I want to be an entrepreneur like her. So Kiran Majumdar Shaw, this is a country farmhouse which I want to have, and of course I want to retire earlier. than the normal time. These are my social goals, guys. So in my first social goal, I want to have an old age home, a building like this, which is going to be an open area. I want to sponsor 5 children every year, and this will be the place where I want to sponsor coaching for the students whose parents are having an annual income of rupees 5 lakhs. So because coaching is very costly these days, and this coaching will be for medical and engineering entrance exams. This is my next social goals, which we have been doing. We are celebrating at least one occasion in our life with this. This is basically an orphanage for girls in Bangalore only, where we go and celebrate with these kids. And these are my personal development goals, where I want to become a great public speaker. Yeah, I want to be a very good part of social functions. And yes, of course, this thing which has changed my attitude towards approaching the people. ये जो हमें चौहान सर ने सिखाया था, gratitude, awesome work karta hai. It's a magic which I feel. If you be in gratitude, the universe will come to you, and it is just like you open your hands, so all the beautiful things will come to you. That's what I feel while going with gratitude. छोटी छोटी सी चीजें हैं, लोग बहुत अच्छे से आपकी तरफ स्माइल करते हैं, एक काम ज्यादा आपका करते हैं अगर आप ग्रेटिट्यूड में रहते हो. And this is what new Sonia with RYB. So RYB has completely changed my life, my approach. I have started achieving some things of my vision board. I'll not say all, but at least 3 to 4 things I have started achieving. So it has made me realize that nothing is impossible, everything is possible. This was a thing which I had done with the vision board. I had set my goal, plans have already started, and some work already done for some of the goals. Now finally when I'll reach my goals, so this is what I have planned for me, goal achieved. Or Karthik sir is fabulous, because whatever he speaks, it goes directly here. Now उन्होंने एक सॉन्ग सुनाया था हमें आरवाईबी में, जय हो. Guys, I listen to this song every day in morning, और मैं उस दिन का इंतजार करती हूँ, मैं वो दिन विजुअलाइज करती हूँ जब लोग मेरे लिए बोलेंगे जय हो, और मैं उतना तेज ताली बजाती हूँ जितना तेज मैं उस ताली की गूंज सुनना चाहती हूँ जिस दिन मेरी जय हो होगी. So that's what I want to say. It's awesome, and I want you all to come forward and collaborate with me for my 2 important social goals, for opening an old age home and coaching for children who cannot afford it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you, RYB. Of course, I want to say the mentors are really awesome. जो बोलते हैं ऊपर से जाता है और दिल में लगता है, और जब चीज दिल में लगती है ना तो आप आगे बढ़ते हो यार. Thank you.
Okay, amazing. What a presentation. Dr. Sonia, could you please stop sharing your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Okay. So that was really